Hello everybody, this is Ed, and today we're checking out a jump starter with air compressor. This is from VTOMAN. This is their new 2025 model. And here are all the accessories. Really nice carry case. It has a divider here in the middle. Put your accessories up here. This goes in here. So this model is the X1 2500 amp jump starter, 150 PSI air compressor. Alright, so you have your jumper cables right here, your tire inflator hose, a USB-A, USB-C charging cable. So you also get air hose connections for your air compressor. Alright, so we're going to talk about some of the features on this device. Hit the power button, 2 seconds. You have a very clear LED screen right here. On the left side, you have where you connect your jumper cables to the device. On this side is to turn on your lights. There's 3 modes for this light. You have normal light, strobe light, and SOS. Just so you know, I will cycle through the different light modes. Just a heads up on the strobe. You have your normal light, strobe, and then here is your SOS right here. This is where you connect your air hose to the air compressor. This is your USB-A out. So this is where you can charge your phone, tablet, drone using this connection right here. And then you have a USB-C in. That USB-C in is how you charge this device. So the M button has inflation modes. This SUV here, it's already preset for 36 PSI. Hit the M button again. You got a car, 32 PSI, bicycle, 45 PSI, and a basketball, it's at 9 PSI. When they show all 4, that is another item that you're inflating, and you're able to toggle through that and it'll keep it in memory. And then once you have your PSI of whatever you're inflating, you just hit the power button and it inflates. What's cool about this is that, yeah, you have an SUV. The preset tire pressure value is 36 PSI. You can change that using the plus minus. Once you have the value that you want to inflate to, you hit the power button. These 3 zeros right here, that is how much PSI is already in, for example, the tire that you're looking to inflate. So if you want to get it to, so it can be 37 here, but you want to get it to 43. Okay, so once you hit the power button, you'll see as the tire inflates, this value will go up. Once it meets this value here, it will shut off. Jump start connection here, as you can see, they have a little pattern here. You just match it up. A very powerful jump starter. Again, it has 2500 amps peak current to start 12-volt vehicles, 8.5 liter gasoline and 6.0 liter diesel engines, up to 50 times on a single charge. Also, when you plug this in, screen comes on. Once you have this connected, you got a green and a red light. The green says correct, the red light is reversed. So what that means is that you make sure you connect the red with the red post, black with the black post. It'll have the green light will show. If you cross these, you'll get a red light saying that you're crossed. You got to have at least 2 bars to jumpstart a vehicle. So this product is definitely going to stay in my vehicle. Very versatile, very easy to use. If you're looking for a jump starter / air compressor, check this one out.